Hi friends, now let us discuss one more problem on operational amplifier. It's a negative and positive. Here positive terminal is connected to ground. Take three resistors, resistor 1, resistor 2 and resistor 3. Then take the feedback element. Value is 80 kilo ohms and the input value is, that's the input voltage for this is -0.5 volts. This one is 20 kilo ohms and this one is -1 volts. That resistance is 40 kilo ohm and this one is plus 2 volts. This one is 60 kilo ohms. Based on this circuit diagram, we have to calculate output voltage. The problem is find V0. Find V0. Solution for this is, simply it is summing amplifier. Summing amplifier. So for summing amplifier, you at this node here that input voltage is 0 for positive terminal. Due to virtual mode, this voltage also 0. So simply you have to calculate. This is actual I1, I2 and this one is I3. All are incoming currents at this node and this one is outgoing current, that is IF value. From this expression you have to calculate, at this node we are calculating that I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to IF value. For this, I3 value can be represented as starting voltage is 0.5 by ending voltage is 0. Starting voltage minus ending voltage by that resistor 20 plus I2 starting voltage minus ending voltage by the resistance is 40 kilo ohms. This is also 20 kilo ohms. Next plus I3. This value is I2. This one is I3. I3 is equal to 2 minus ending voltage is 0 by the resistance is 60 kilo ohm is equal to IF value. IF starts at 0 and ending the value is 0. Then the resistance value is 80 kilo ohms. Based on this expression, we have to calculate 80. So simply that it can be represented as here 0.5 by 20 plus, simply you can take minus 1 by 40 plus 2 over 60 is equal to minus V0. Okay, this is actual function. So that 80 is multiplied the one-tier function, you will be get this. So this is the actual problem for this. From this expression, you can substituting the total values. V0 is equal to, the value is minus 2. Approximately 67 volts. So this is the summing amplifier. Sum the all individual samples. Like that you will be get this. Now we are going to discuss another problem. So this is somewhat extension of previous summing amplifier. So in this problem, we have the data is V1 value and V2 value. So in this V1 value is equal to, the data can be represented as here, the input data, that is V1 is equal to, that is 1 plus 2 sin omega t. Okay, and the V2 value is equal to minus 10 millivolts. Solution for this example is, so simply for first operational amplifier, this is, it is at first op amp first op amp, that is it is an inverting amplifier, inverting operational amplifier. For operational amplifier, the formula is here. This is simply, you can take this value is V01. That V01 is equal to, for inverting amplifier, minus RF by R1 into V1. Here RF value is this value, this is the actual feedback value. That can be represented as here minus 20 kilo ohms by, and what is the input value? This is actual R1, this simply you can take RF value. Okay. So that value is 2 kilo ohms into, what is the V1 value? V1 value is 1 plus 2 sine omega t. After that, we will get the value is minus 10 into 1 plus 2 sine omega t. That is actual V01. So far we have V01 values. Okay, now we have to calculate that overall expression for this. Okay, so for this problem, you know V01 value and V2 value. What is the V2 value? Is equal to minus 10 millivolts. From this expression, you can calculate this here, that positive voltage of the second amplifier, that is at second op amp, So we are calculating that it is also inverting amplifier. Simply you can represent as here. Otherwise you can represent as this voltage is 0, this voltage also 0. Simply you can take that current is Ix, this one is Iy, and this one is If. So simply that value is Ix plus Iy is equal to If. Ix value is equal to, the starting voltage is V01 minus that value is 0 by that resistance is 1 kilo ohm, plus Iy is equal to V2 minus 0 by that resistance is, so simply you know in this problem that value also 1 kilo ohm, but I forgot this value is 1 kilo ohm. So now I am representing that value is 1 kilo ohm is equal to If value is starting voltage 0 and ending voltage is V0 by 20 kilo ohms. Okay, so far if you have that V0 value is, that is minus 10 to 1 plus 2 sine omega t by 1 plus V2 value is minus 10 ohm by 1, then minus V0 by 20. Then finally you will get that formula, that after getting that expression is V0 is equal to 0.4 into 1 plus sine omega t millivolts. So this is the final result for calculating V0. Okay, thank you.